It will be finished in this Pavitra. Which chapter was this?
Saira ma'am.
Sairam. Sairam. Some of the children have not told Sairam. Their name is not showing over here in the attendance. They
Saira
told
ma'am.
Saira
they,
ma'am.
Sairam
Saira
ma'am.
ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Saira ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam. Sairam. Now, Anmol, you can continue.
Zenil, you read
Yes.
question.
Answer the following questions.
On your
Question
camera,
1.
Zenil.
Question 1. Mark the correct answer in each of the following. First, early man was frightened of lightning and volcanoes. B. The damage caused by them. C. Fire. A. Lightning and volcanoes.
Answer is fire. Chitranshi call.
Yes. Prachi, you read second question. Prachi,
But if someone doesn't answer, then quickly give the chance to someone else. Don't waste time.
Himanshu, you read.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, ma'am, what
The screen
I
is
have
visible.
to read?
Question you have to read.
Ma'am, only the first question.
Yes, read the
Yes, ma'am.
question.
Uh, a fire is energy. Fire is heat and light. Fire is the result of chemical reaction. Choose the right answer. Answer is
Anyone have answer?
C.
Anyone have answer?
Can I answer?
Yes,
Can
Param.
I answer?
Quick, quick, tell the
Yes.
answer.
The answer is C. Fire is a result of a chemical reaction.
Correct. Chitranshi.
Poonam, you read second question. Poonam, you read second question. Radhika, you read.
Can I read?
Okay.
Okay. Huh.
From the
Radhika, you
boxes
read.
given below, uh, choose the one with the correct order of the following sentences. That is fire. A chemical reaction takes place. Energy in the form of heat and light is released. Oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. Answer is D.
Correct.
Now, Radhika, you read.
Working with the test. Answer the following question. Question 1. What do you understand by the flash point of fuel?
Anyone have answer?
No.
May I? Yes, Param.
Yes, Param.
A temperature in which the substance, the fuel starts burning is known as the flash point or the kindling temperature of the fuel.
Rishika, you read answer.
Yes, every fuel has a specific temperature at which it starts to burn. This specific temperature is called the flash point of kindling temperature of the fuel.
Now, Akshara, you read.
What? Answer or question?
Question.
Question.
In what sense is it a bad master? Now answer.
Answer you have to read.
Some common uses of fire are: it is used to produce electricity. It is used for cooking. It is also used to heat our home in winters. Thank you.
Anil, you
Ma'am,
read. Second question.
Second answer. Adib, you read.
Okay, I have to read the answer.
Yes.
Okay, second answer. Fire is a bad master because if it not under control, it can create huge damage to lives, properties, forests, etc. Can I also tell my answer?
Okay.
Fire is a bad master when it gets out of control. It can be dangerous and burn our houses, shops, forests, and many more. It can also kill and injures a hundred of people. Thank you.
Now, Anil.
ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, tell Param. Yes, what is it, Param? Quickly ask.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that how is uh, ma'am, how is fire used in producing electricity?
Is it written in the chapter? Have you gone through the chapter? Param, did you read the chapter totally? Akshara,
Ma'am, I have gone through the chapter and it is not written that, how fire is.
can someone please ring up Akshara that she playing over there? बेटा आपको खेलना है खेलो एटलीस्ट वीडियो तो ऑफ कर दो सब कुछ दिख रहा है यस परम I think you should ask
Ma'am,
this.
I have read the chapter. It is not written how fire is used to produce electricity.
Actually, fire is used for coal, na? And coal can be converted into energy, isn't it? As we have a shortage of time, otherwise we would have had a great discussion about this topic.
Diksha, you read question.
To keep your doubt, we can ask your science teacher also. Who teaches science?
Sagar Mistri.
Okay,
Sagar sir.
ma'am.
Yes, Sagar sir will very nicely explain. He's the best science teacher. Okay, continue beta. अनमोल कितनी देर लगेगी बेटा इसमें?
Harsh, you read question.
Sairab ma'am.
I'm only. This is last slide.
Those children who have come late, your attendance will not
And
be
next
taken.
is last slide.
I have to read.
Yes, Harsh.
Match the items in the column A with those in B. Fuel, oxygen, heat. I have to also match these.
Okay.
Fuel, coals, burning coal, wood, smoldering paper, cooking gas, oxygen, air, heat, lighted matchstick, burning coal.
Ma'am, I have some doubt.
Samuel, you read fourth
Ma'am?
question.
Yes, on your camera and ask.
Ma'am, what is smoldering mean?
Which word?
Smoldering.
It's not audible properly.
Smoldering.
Can you see it in the dictionary? Can you see it in the dictionary? Have you checked it first in the dictionary?
No, ma'am.
First you check. If you don't get, then I'll talk to you. Continue better.
Question 4. What are the three main ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out? Solution. Fire can be put out by taking away the fuel, stopping the supply of oxygen, or by lowering down the temperature around the fuel so that the fuel is not able to attain its flash point.
Divyansh, you read question. Shubhra, you read question.
Match the items in box A with those in box B.
Shubhra, you have answer?
Yes. To burn paper or a piece of wood. We heat it before it catches fire. Small fires can be put out with a damp blanket. When water is spread on fire, it absorbs heat from the burning material and lowers the temperature. A carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing to put out an electrical fire. Space left between buildings reduces the risk of fire.
Poonam, you read question. Ritu, you read question.
Okay. Why does a burning candle go out when you blow on it?
You can read Solution answer.
Again,
Solution you have to read.
When we blow on a burning candle, the hot air around the candle is replaced by cold air and brings down the temperature of the candle below the flash point. So the candle goes out as no fuel can burn below its flash point.
What is flash point? Can anyone explain? You must have read this in science. Adeep, Param, Shubhra, anyone?
मैम अभी हम लोग 15 चैप्टर्स तक नहीं पहुंचे हैं.
can I explain?
Yes, Param, you can explain. You can take 2 minutes.
Flash, any temperature in which the fuel starts burning, it starts burning. This temperature is known as the flash point or the kindling temperature of the fuel.
Okay.
Prachi, you read question and answer. Prachi. You read question and answer.
Okay.
That you can on your camera. Next, who is it? Has got the next chapter? Pranav and Divyansh, are you ready?
Prachi, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So keep your tabs and all open by the time because she's going to complete.
Prachi, please read it.
But if she is not reading, you can give the chance to Shubhra or someone else.
Janul, you can.
Yes. Question 7. Spraying water is not a good way of putting out an oil fire or an electrical fire. Why not? Solution. If water is sprayed onto an oil fire, the oil will float on the water and will
Shubhra, you read question and answer.
Ma'am, Pranav have shared.
What are some of the things you should do to prevent a fire at home and in the school? Some of the things we should do to prevent a fire at home and in the school. First, we should stay alert while dealing with inflammable substances and handle them with care. Second, there is always a possibility of fire in old buildings due to short circuits. Therefore, overloaded wires should be replaced with new ones and the fuse should be checked regularly. Third, by creating awareness among the people regarding the handling of fuels, their flashpoints, and their storage. Do not store inflammable or combustible things like kerosene and petrol at home or in school. Fire extinguishers should be installed and old wiring must be replaced. Keep the contact number of fire brigade and police on speed dial in case a little accident happens. Never take any accident lightly as it may lead to greater one.
If you see carefully, this is actually a simple science chapter. There was not much in which I have to explain. Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes, very good, bit Anmol. And Chitranshi, it was a very nice one, though the participation of Anmol was more than Chitranshi. Yes, Pranav?
Zanul.
जेनविल आप बार बार बीच में क्यों बोलते हो बेटा? हाँ बोलो, पूछो क्या पूछ रहे हो?
मैम आपकी वॉइस मैम आज बहुत लो आ रही है.
ये कंप्यूटर थोड़ा गड़बड़ है बेटा. इससे पहले उदया मैम ने पढ़ाया था छोटे बच्चों को, तो वो भी यही कह रही थी. ठीक है, हम ये कंप्लेन कर देंगे ऑफिस में, फिर वो ठीक कर देंगे. ओके. Okay, now the next chapter has started. Is bicycle in. What's the chapter's
Ma'am,
name? And beta, we will finish the class exactly at 11:45. Okay, Pranav? Because I have got a class in class 9th B offline.
ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, your screen is visible. Very nice. It's clear. The bicycle.
Divyans, Divyans, you read.
This is chapter
Okay.
number what? What is the
Om
chapter
Shri
number?
Sai Ram.
Divyansh, what is the chapter number?
9. Ma'am, chapter 9th.
Chapter 9. Okay, okay, continue.
Om Shri Sai Ram. My and Pranab topic is a bicycle in good repair. Question 1. Both the author and the friend had decided to go for A. Hunting, B. A long drive, C. A long bicycle ride, D. A bus journey. Ma'am, first answer.
Beta, anyone who knows the answer can write in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Have you read the chapter, everyone? You sitting in the house? Okay, Anmol has said C, Zenwal also C.
Right answer.
the author friends shook the bicycle violently, which the author A. approved, B. could hardly believe, C. did not like, D. both and B. Both A and B.
Right answer. Divyans, read next question.
Both had difference of opinion regarding the bobbling of the front wheel. A. The friend said it wobbled. B. The author said that it did not bobble. C. The author commented on the smooth ride. D. A and B. Both A and B.
No one wants to answer?
Ma'am, Handeep, I answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also write in the chat box.
Okay, beta. They're writing in the chat box. One of you in Divyansh and uh, Pranav, one of you see the chat box and the other can see the PPT.
Divyans,
Pranav?
see the catwalk.
There is right Adib and Zenul A.
Okay.
The friend started playing with a black wheel, the front wheel, the handle, the seat cover.
B.
मैम सही आंसर है मैम अदीब का.
Okay, beta speak in English only.
ओके मैम.
Next question. Divyans, read next question.
The unscrewing result in a rolling of some dozen
Unscrewing.
or so.
Unscrewing.
Unscrewing resulted in the rolling of some dozen or so. The set settling of some dozen or so little balls, the sucking of balls with one another. D. Both A and B.
Anyone know the answer?
Ma'am, Adiv is right answer.
Okay, Adib is right answer. A.
Mm,
The
ne-
the gear case was not to be taken out, to be taken out, to be repaired. D both.
There are answers in the chat box.
मेरे पेन का कितने पे रुका 50 बार करना 50% करना आज मैंने
Whose mic is on? No one. Someone has
Ma'am,
done the
can I
answer.
tell answer?
Yes, yes. If they don't give it in 5 seconds, you tell the answer.
Not to be taken out.
Okay, it is B.
Dash goes a little stiffly after lunch. A. Sun. B. Bus. C. Cycle. D. Car. Ma'am, answer is C. Cycle.
So most of them were wrong.
these front wheel vowels. What does vowel mean? A. Make bubble. B. Un- unsteadily from side to side. C. Broken. D. Spin around.
Ma'am, Adib did right answer B.
What were the balls that rolled out on the path? A. Tires. B. Wheel. C. Ball bearing. D. Handle.
Ma'am, Anil gave right answer C. Ball bearing.
He could not distribute the man because A. He was scared. B. He was trustworthy. C. He was hopeful. D. He did not want to offend.
Ma'am, Anil gave right answer. He did not want to offend.
Good, good.
The child was in AWE with dash A.
Divyansh,
Of
Divyansh, how many
hopelessness.
questions are left?
Yes, ma'am.
How many questions are there?
Ma'am, 2.
Two. Okay, after this, we will be showing video also next time.
B. Cherry confidence. C. Inquisitive mind. D.
Inquisite,
Shameless
inquisite. It is inquisite. Inquisite mind.
inquisitive mind.
Shamelessness.
Ma'am,
Divyansh, next on
Ma'am,
next.
Anil gave right answer B.
Okay, good. Divyansh, you'll be taking the period next Tuesday also?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll be taking the period next Tuesday also, now?